Hey, in this video, I want to show you how to get Telegram stars per free. Yes, per free. So how you can do this? In this video, I want to show you very easy method to get Telegram free first, and after that you will get a lots of stars in Telegram Premium. So how you can do this? Almost 700 million users and Telegram are using Telegram Premium. So how you can get Telegram Premium? First of all, go to this website, which is lightapks.com. Simply click on apps, scroll it down to the bottom, and you will find here communication. Click on it, and you will find here Telegram. Click on it. So this Telegram contain no ads, premium apps icon, 10 pinned chats, 10 favorite stickers, 20 folders, and you can read all their features here. Simply click on download, and this will pop to the next page. Click on this mode, and after this download APK. Click on this, and no, you have to wait a few seconds. No, the link appear here. Click on download, and that's it. The Telegram Premium APK will be start downloading, which is almost 50.2 MB. So that's all for today's video. This is Premium APK, and you can download this from this website, which is lightapks.com. And in the Premium, there is a lot of free stars you can enjoy and send it to your favorite one. Thanks for watching.